Hi guys, I am now in Jurong. I'm going to Japanese Garden from Jurong East side near the Snow City here. Snow City and Science Center there. There's actually a pathway to walk from Jurong East, from MRT, Jurong East Library, Westgate there, from MRT station to here, which is about 15 minutes walk. Here, this way, and just walk across this bridge, you will reach Japanese Garden. Just want to let you guys know there's a way to come from Jurong East MRT station. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, this is the Jurong Lake Gardens entrance. Okay, from Jurong East side. Snow City, Science Center over there. The Water Lily Gate, Japanese Garden. So from 5:30 to 12 a.m.